Next up, we've got the rematch, Huracan versus McLaren 720S. And this is Brooke's very own car, which he jokingly claims is faster than the one that already beat me. Dude, I'm impressed with that 720.
It is a beast.
You're like,
yeah.
You were right there with the 918.
I mean, the mile an hour shows close.
Yeah.
But as you'll see in the videos, he gets out really far at the beginning, and I kind of start to hang on, you know?
Unbelievable.
I was within 1.5 to 2 mile an hour of him. So, Huracan Supercharged, what did you think versus the 19 Spider?
Dude, it did pretty good.
Yeah.
Honestly, I mean, this is at this point, a used one. You can pick one up for 200 to 230 and you put the supercharger kit on it. It's reliable, and it's got 91 in it right now and like a full tank of gas basically. So if I was more at a quarter tank with 93,
so running all day, how much gas have you burned up?
Like not enough.
Not enough.
Not enough
to get more gas. So yeah, we got more races coming. So I have a feeling the race you're about to see, which is going to be 720S versus the Huracan from a dig, which we didn't do last time.
That'll be interesting. Drag Times just mic'd up the Huracan for the race. Mic on the 720. Look at this. The gravel collector rear diffuser.
So what happened there?
Being like crazy. I literally moved an entire lane over.
Yeah.
Gear.
Second
held it down though.
Yeah, that was a good run.
All-wheel drive, man.
That's it, you killed it.
Well, just raced the 720.
Yep, all-wheel drive is just almost impossible to overcome out here on the strip. My car's spinning like crazy. All through second gear, finally hooked up, but he was just too far ahead.
Honestly, at first I thought that you just didn't even go.
Yeah, no, I was
That's
there.
how much it was spinning.
Back. Yeah, but my car was, luckily I was able to hold on and at least get a time slip.
Yeah. The 720S, definitely faster on the top end. It's rear wheel drive, so controlling the power is more difficult. Technically, Huracan came out on top. Look how gorgeous this E63 wagon is. That looks incredible. Like I've said in the past, I absolutely love the last generation E63 wagon. I think the new one is a little bit too rounded. That Civic just ran a 161.9. So behind me is hyper fast car's 650S that's been converted to look kind of like a P1. It's also got active aero and somewhere in the high 700s in terms of horsepower, I think to the wheels. Let's see what it runs. .162.4. That'd be a good race against my car. For the Evo. We got Brooks in the 720S versus the Anarchy F12. Best sounding car here for sure. That 720S is running 168s all day long, even with absolutely gnarly starts every single time. Twin turbo Viper ACR. Oh my God! Well, on the ratio to worst sounding car to fastest trap speed, the Viper ACR definitely wins. That's nuts. 208 miles an hour. GTR on GTR action. Twin turbo 4GT. Oh my God. See what Cletus is up to. I heard you lost to a minivan, but you trapped 20 miles an hour faster, so that's true. Did you really lose?
Sort of. I'll still count it. I'll give it to you.
What do you get? 167? That's still the fastest? Yep. Per Permonte versus Hellcat.
16-year-old kid on the Performante.
No way.
Yeah.
man. Let's see it. $153 in an ancient Honda Odyssey. That's mind blowing. What's up, dude?
I'm excited. This is like your 8 mile moment.
What'd you get on your first pass?
I don't want to say.
You don't want to say, all right. Let's see how the quad turbo Audi does. '84. I got a feeling it's got a little bit more in it than 84 miles an hour. We got Rob Ferretti's car right here. He's been running consistent 157s. I misspoke earlier. This is called hypercar development. I believe they're saying it's an 820S. All right, Street Speed, you've been completely replaced. You didn't show up. We got a world record holding C7 Z06 going over 200 miles an hour. About to do the final race of the day, the Huracan versus Brooks's Tesla Model S P100D. This has been such an incredible event. I want to say special thanks to Wanna Go Fast for putting this on, Anarchy for making it possible for me to be here, Michelin setting us up with the dopest tires ever, Pilot Sport Cup 2s, seriously love those things, and just all the great car people out here has made this one of the best days ever, seriously. So this awesome subscriber that was gonna be on the Corsa Rally with me when I got sick, unfortunately had a little mishap, and it turned into, thank God you're okay, the most epic picture of all time. That is a flipped over Hellcat.
Yes, it is.
You know what? You're okay, and any idea what you're coming back in?
Maybe wide body. We'll see. All right.
Take it easy. All right, dude. What have you been racing today, and how's it been going?
That F12.
Yep.
That satisfied all of our...
Oh, is that 156 or 156?
154 or something.
Gotcha.
Dude, I loved it. Screaming V12 straight pipe. IP exhaust is...
I think you need one.
Was all we needed today. I mean, we didn't go back out and hit anything else.
That was amazing.
There's no reason. Yeah,
So
I mean,
guys, comment down below. Should we sell all of our crappy cars and get an F12?
seriously, that car easily the best sounding car down the track of all time.
Dude, when we heard it, we're like, shoot,
No,
that's
it's
good.
absolutely. So check this out. We've got a tuned new E63 AMG that ran a 157. 157. That's as fast as a Huracan Performante in the half mile in a four-door family sedan. Just talked to the owner of the car. I do stand corrected. It ran a 152.5, not a 157, but even still, unbelievable. I mean, that's almost as fast as a tuned F12 that was running 154, 155. Brooks hooking up the GoPros and his crazy mic setup.
Gotta get some good sound.
Gotta
right?
get some good sound. Wait, did you mic up the Tesla or?
I might skip that one. Just wind noise.
All right, any last words?
Well, I think we all know what's gonna happen.
Or I can match your speed the whole way.
Or you can do that.
Nah, I'm not gonna do that. All right, good luck,
I
dude.
mean, if you put the wing back
Oh,
on,
yep.
it might be fair.
Nope.
I got my wing on. See that little wing?
Tesla didn't go as planned 2 times in a row, and yeah, I got locked out of launch control, just wouldn't do it.
Yep.
And I tried to get the light guy to stop so I could get the last one ready, and I mean, my car wouldn't go, so it's obviously my fault. You
That's
won,
right.
I guess. That's racing.
That's racing for you. What are you
Yeah.
gonna do? You know.
Time to put the wing back on. Ending off the day with a group photo of all the YouTuber Project Car Challenge vehicles. We got the ridiculous quad turbo Audi, the 720S at 168.9, then David's car at 152, 164.65, Cletus's car 167, 152 I believe, 150.
You're not.
What'd you get, 155?
Accurate. Not accurate.
I'm not accurate?
You're close.
I'm close. Rob's car at 157 and then 164. Cletus was giving me shit for not having Lambo doors. He doesn't even have doors.
Dude, it's a Guinea, bro. It's supposed to have Lambo doors. Where are your Guinea doors, man?
It is apparent, unless you are 6'10", like Garrett over here, you can't see over the turbos. It's raining gas. I can't even reach the clutch. That's freaking ridiculous. Look at the digital tachometer. Look at the view over the hood. Unbelievable. Adam LZ doing some donuts. And that's what you do when you get free tires. Well, apparently it is my turn to do some donuts. We'll see what happens.
Holy crap. There go those tires. Oh my gosh.
Dude, the sound is amazing.
Bro, I wasn't filming.
And we're back. I did a burnout and my rear right tire is flat now. Trying to figure out what to do. That was dumb. Oh, you can hear it.
You can hear it, man.
Cletus is coming in clutch with the oh.
I want everyone to know that this is a one Mountain Dew job.
What does that mean?
You have to have one Mountain Dew. If you want to patch a tire, you guys have seen my patch tutorial on the channel before. We're about to do a Guinea.
On today's episode of Patching a Guinea,
You're gonna need one Bartle ski, all right? Right before you do the job, you're gonna want to crack her open. You're ready to start. This here is called rubber cement slime. Works fantastic.
you ever done one of these on a Guinea?
I've done like 1,000 with my lawnmower. Grab yourself another sip, and then you're gonna want to start working the Ripper 9000.
Oh my God.
I want to make the hole bigger.
Yep.
You're violating that tire.
Just get after it. I mean, oh yeah.
Just remember, I'm trusting you with my life tomorrow.
You're losing the air fast there, Dale.
Fine.
We got.
Who's got a knife on him? It's kind of centered up there.
I like it. Boom. Give it to it. Give it to it.
I'll stick it in there.
Oh, nice. Get it. Put that big black thing in there.
Monetize. At just the right depth. Now you're going
Pull out.
Now I don't usually pull out, but today we're gonna pull out.
Finished your due yet.
All right. I like it.
Yeah.
You don't want to chug the rest of your due.
Actually though, dude, yo, thank you so much for saving the freaking day.
I got it.
Look at that.
Behind the guy who gave Tommy a car.
All right. Someone get a thumbnail.
All right, well now it's time to end the video. Thanks to everyone for helping out. That seriously saved my butt. See you later, dude. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. Turn that notification bell on. Look forward to seeing you next video.